Hello, Division 4. All right, so today's math, it's 137 and 140, I believe. Yes. And what you're basically doing is now you're using what we've been learning and applying it to real life events, or how would we use them in a real life situation. So it says write an equation for each problem, solve the problem, and then write each sentence to answer the question. And well, of course, we'll be practicing our complete sentences when we do this. So it says Arlene had 15 stamps. She put 3 stamps into each of several stamp holders. Now, I guess it's like a little pouch or something so she could organize her stamps, so therefore she won't lose them. It says, how many holders did she use to store all 15 stamps? So basically what we're doing, we've got the information. Now we're trying to find out the problem. We're going to create a problem so we can get the answer. So we know that she has 15 stamps, and where she's going to put them into 3 stamps into each holder. So we're actually going to separate and divide that group by 3s. And of course, the question is, how many holders does she use to store all 15 stamps? Well, if there's 3 in each, I'm just counting by our 3s to get to 15, and by now you already know that it's 5. Now what you have to do now is to write a complete sentence, and the question is, how many holders did she use to store all 15 stamps? So of course her name is Arlene. Used 5 holders to store all 15 stamps. Arlene used 5 holders to store all 15 stamps, because we know each holder had 3 stamps in each holder. So there you go. All right, now the next, we'll just carry on with the same idea down here. Now for the next one, we're going to circle to divide. It's more common using how we use division and multiplication, but what we're saying is we're making equal groups, because basically what division is separating into groups, which is the opposite of multiplication, which is counting by groups. So it says circle divide, make each groups by circling, then print the division sentence. So it says how many groups of 2. So what you're going to do, you're going to, and you can probably use a color for this one, circle your groups of 2 carrots. You don't have to color the carrots, of course, but in case you don't want to use your pencil, you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2. And so our multiplication sentence, of course, would be 5 times 2, right? But what we're doing is circling to divide. And so we've got 10 carrots, and we know that each group had 2. The question is, how many groups of 2? And of course, you already know it's 5 groups. And so you can carry on through these questions up to J. All right, until next time.